Hello, beautiful people! Maayong adlaw! Anyway, for summer end, so we're doing a review kung worth it ba yung robotic lawnmower natin. Anyway, yung robotic lawnmower namin, sorry about the wind. It's super windy, it's autumn, and I think it's going to rain as well. Of course, it's changing now, weather change. It's a little bit cold now, though it's not as cold as winter, but talagang you need warmer clothes now. Anyway, so go back to our review sa ating robotic lawnmower. We called him Robert. So he is a he. So, si Robert is a lifesaver. It's worth it. It's really worth the money. Lifesaver, saving time, saving money, saving talaga. Lifesaver talaga. So, sorry for the tractor. Kasi nandito tayo sa countryside and the farmers are very busy at this time kasi nga malapit na yung winter time. Anyway, okay. Ito si Robert. Yeah. Our robotic lawnmower. It's not paid promotions, by the way. I'm just going to have an honest review. Ito talaga si Robert is a lifesaver to us. Kasi nga, yung covered ni Robert na to cut the grass is malaki siya. From that end, and then ito yung covered ni Robert. Ayan, see, malaki talaga yung area namin na kinakat niya ng grass. Ayan. And pag kami yung nagkakat ng grass, of course, hindi naman siya so difficult kasi nga we have our sitting lawnmower as well. Pero the problem is saan namin itatapon yung kinakat na grass. Ito yung area. Ipapakita ko muna yung area hanggang doon sa likod. But for now, we are in the front. So, ayun si Robert. So, he's working so hard. Pero in a few months, pag winter time, kasi hindi naman tumutubo yung grass, so, Robert, pwede na siyang mag-holiday. So, during the winter. But anyway, back to my story. So, ayan, it's really, really worth it, Sir Robert. Kasi nga, pag kami yung nagkakat ng grass, our first problem is saan namin itatapon. Kasi nga, pag summer, it should be weekly yung cut ng grass, once a week. So, at ang dami, when I say madami talaga. But si Robert, yung nagkakat si Robert, well, nagkakat naman siya ng from 1 inch to 2 inches. Sometimes less than. Depende kung depende sa grass, ng tubo sa grass. But 1 inch is yung kinakat ni Robert, 1 inch lang. So, nandyan lang siya. So, yung pagtapon ng cut ng grass, so, out of the question na yan pag si Robert. Ayan. So, kaya nga, super happy kami. Dahil si Robert ay isa sa mga na-invest namin na super worth it. Super worth it sa money, sa time, sa lahat. Lifesaver si Robert. So, ayan. So, ito yung area sa harap. Ayan. At hanggang dito yun. So, from there, so, so hanggang dito, ayan, yung area na yan. Dito talaga si Robert, ayan, so hanggang dito. Okay, hanggang dito. Ayan. Diyan. So, nandito na tayo sa likod na part. Ayan, so, hanggang dyan. So, dito siya dumadaan papuntang harap. So, dito, see, meron. At hanggang area na yan. Hanggang sa last, sa fence na yan. So, kinakat ni Robert, ayan. O, diba? hanggang dyan. So, malaki talaga yung ground. At si Robert lang, and imagine, nami-maintain talaga ni Robert every single day. Ganyan. We had Robert since 2022. So, magti 3 years na siya sa amin. And, Robert is very smart. Pag medyo low na yung battery niya, so bumabalik siya sa charging station niya. So, ito yung charging station niya. So, ayan. Dito siya nagcha-charge. Ayan. And, the good thing is, ayan, dito siya nagcha-charge. Ito yung charging station ni Robert. And, yeah. So, yes, Robert is a lifesaver. Talagang super worth it si Robert talaga. Masasabi ko worth it siya pag meron kayong ganitong space, ganitong lungo na medyo malalaki na ikat. So, worth it siya sa money. And, very handy as well. Like, for example, if you are in a holiday, meron naman siyang app sa phone mo. So, makikita mo si Robert kung anong ginagawa mo. Tapos, anong ginagawa niya. So, makikita mo si Robert sa app kung saan siya nagka-cut. At kung tapos, pwede mo siyang i-command din to stop, to go back to the station, or pwedeng hindi na siya mag-cut, stop lang siya sa station. So, doon sa app, pwede mo siyang makokontrol doon sa app, sa phone mo. So, either you are in a holiday during the summer, still Robert is working, still working every single day. So, kasi nga you have the control, meron kang app doon sa phone mo. And one more thing, pag merong, for example, na-stuck siya somewhere, then magno-notify doon sa phone mo as well. So, it's very, very handy talaga si Robert. And yeah, if meron kayong space na ganito na medyo malaki na kailangan talagang, like your grass at I highly recommend this robot. Well, Robert is not yet on what do you call that? GPS. I'm not sure, GPS, satellite, kasi meron na ngayon na hindi na siya hindi na siya wireless na siya ngayon. So yeah, it's worth it to check kasi nga sa experience namin, Robert is really, really a good helper. So, I recommend this kind of robot if meron kayong bigger space, bigger grass na kailangan ikat. And the thing is, pag nagka-cut si Robert, talaga siyang uniform. So, talagang smooth lang siya, uniform talaga siya. Maganda siyang tingnan after. Anyway, I'll see you in my next vlog. Be kind, beautiful people. Bye.